Hi everyone. I'm Dr. S. Amata, Assistant Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we will see about the topic case studies in developing a simple student grading system in C. Introduction. The main objective of that case study is designing a grading system to manage student grades, calculating an average scores, and then to determine the letter grade based on the predefined criteria. It depends on the mark statement. The problem statement, the need a system to input statement score and calculate their average and provide a grade based on their average score. The requirement of that student grading system is based on the three steps. The first one is the input. To getting input from the user, there is a student names and score for the students. Output. Based on the input, the scores to calculate the average score and calculate the grading. The features of the student graders: input validation, grade calculation, and display. Input validation is the score, it's not greater than 100, it's not below 1. That is the calculation of input validation. System design. Data input. Collect names and scores from the user. To collect all the student names and all subject marks from the student. Second one is a processing. Calculate the average score and determine the grade. All subject marks added and then calculating the average. For example, 5 subject marks entered by the students means the 5 subject mark total, it's divided by the total marks of the 5 subject. And output, it displays student name, average score, and grades. Finally, it's display the student names with the average percentage and then grade in a single letter. This is the implementation of that program, including a header files and the number of students. Define constant values. It is in this example enter a 5 student. Now define a function void calculate grade, passing a parameter is average. Inside a block to calculating a grade, if that grade average is greater than 90, greater than or equal to 90, displaying a grade. The first condition is false to check a second condition. Average is greater than or equal to 80, it's displayed B grade. This first two condition is false. Now move to the third condition. Average is greater than 70. The condition is true means display grade C. The above condition is false means move to the next condition. Average greater than or equal to 60 means grade D is displayed. The all condition is a false means executing a else block. It is a grade F is a fail mark. And int main method to declaring character array names, and then float scoring as a score variable declared, and then sum equal to 0 and average variable to getting a name and score from the user, and using a for loop to getting a input from the user in 5 student, and then calculating average, that is sum of a score is divided by the number of students, and then average is calculated, and then to call a calculator function to find the grade. Now suppose for example your average is 80 means the grade B is displayed. The challenging and solution. The first challenge is handling an invalid input. For example, non-numeric values. The solution is implement a input validation to check a input is a valid float values. The second challenge is adjusting the system for a different number of students. The solution is it's a dynamic memory allocation to handle a size of a student list. The conclusion of the case study, the student grading system efficiently handling a student data and calculating the average and providing a grades. It demonstrates a fundamental C programming concept including an array concept, loops and conditional statement to developing a student grading system. Thank you.